The unanimous ruling does mean, though, that former President Trump will be on the ballots in Colorado, Maine, and Illinois, and voters will decide on their candidate in the 2024 presidential election. The justices rejected Colorado's attempt to keep former President Trump off the ballot, agreeing that states have no power under the Constitution to enforce Section 3 with respect to federal offices, especially the presidency.
I don't think it was a surprising decision in that the final result really resembled the questions that were asked at the oral arguments.
The justices expressed concerns that if states were given the power to remove candidates, it would sever the link between the national government and voters.
The fear is that there would be a patchwork, that every state would use different standards to disqualify federal candidates.
Former President Trump reacted to the ruling.
I want to start by thanking the Supreme Court for its unanimous decision today. It was a very important decision.
It would have also served to disenfranchise any number of people who said, I want to vote for this candidate, but just because I live in one state versus another, I can't.
The majority of justices declared the power to enforce Section 3 of the 14th Amendment concerning insurrection rests with Congress, something conservative Amy Coney Barrett and 3 liberal members of the court called judicial overreach.
All justices agree on the outcome of this case. That is a message Americans should take home.
Now, this is the Supreme Court's most direct involvement in a presidential election since Bush v. Gore, which cemented George W. Bush's win in 2000.